Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Project Veda Divine. This is your friendly neighborhood tarot reader Ankan. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So as some of you know, this coming Wednesday, which is the 11th of June 2025, is a full moon or a पूर्णिमा. ये पूर्णिमा की खास बात यही है कि ज्येष्ठ मास के इस पूर्णिमा में भगवान श्री जगन्नाथ जी की स्नान यात्रा प्रारंभ होती है, इसीलिए इस तिथि को बहुत ही शुभ अवसर माना जाता है. As far the Western Farmers Almanac, this full moon is also known as the strawberry full moon, and this year this full moon is going to be in the sign of Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi. Now full moons are about expansion, they are about looking inwards and setting new goals. And since this full moon is going to be in the sign of Sagittarius, so a lot of the energies and vibrations of Sagittarius will focus upon you, which means you will be more focused towards expanding your visions and your energies, as well as being free-spirited and grasping that fiery energy of Sagittarius that is there. तो चलिए देख लेते हैं अभी इस पूर्णिमा का आपके राशि फल पर क्या असर होने वाला है. तो शुरू करते हैं पहले एरीज से, यानी कि मेष राशि. तो आपके लिए क्या मैसेजेस या गाइडेंस आ रहे हैं यूनिवर्स की तरफ से, देख लेते हैं. तो एरीज, the first of all, the thing and the message that is coming towards you is one of victory as well as of new beginnings. Since it starts with Ace of Swords, so the universe is kind of telling me that whatever endeavor or whatever thing that you have started or you are planning to start, you will definitely get victory over it. You will definitely have control over it. The universe will help you in attaining success in whatever project or whatever passionate thing you want to follow. But there is also a hint of heartbreak involved. So if you are planning on starting something new, if you're planning on taking up a new project, taking up a new job or anything, there could be a heartbreak involved, there could be some pain involved, and that pain would somehow be a result of you not getting the whole picture, you not having full clarity on things. So the energies kind of show me that at first you may think that you have clarity on the thing that you are pursuing, but in reality, after a little bit of time, you will say something will reveal to you, or something which you thought existed will not. It could be a thought, could be your opinion. It doesn't always have to be physical, but yeah, something will come up and which will kind of cloud your whole entire point, entire view. This will cause you pain and heartbreak, and after that this will just create more confusion, this will just create more illusion, and you will kind of lose that sense of clarity that you had. So yeah, new beginnings definitely, but try to figure out things, try to attain clarity. Even if you feel that you have clarity about the thing, whatever it might be in your life, it's not true, try to dig more, try to go inwards, try to go deep, and try to find out what the actual truth is and attain that clarity overall. So yeah, Aries. Now moving on to Taurus or Rishabh Rashi. सो देख लेते हैं वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या मैसेज या गाइडेंस यूनिवर्स की तरफ से आ रहे हैं। ये रीडिंग काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा ब्रीफ होगा, थोड़ा छोटा होगा। मैं डिटेल रीडिंग पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ। अगर आपको डिटेल रीडिंग चाहिए तो आप एक पर्सनल रीडिंग भी करा सकते हैं। डिटेल्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दूंगा। तो चलिए देख लेते हैं वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या मैसेजेस या गाइडेंस आ रहे हैं। Well, very good energies for Taurus. Definitely some sort of good news coming your way. Some sort of communication is coming your way. It could very much be related to love. It could be very much be related to a person, someone who is in your life. If not, someone who is coming into your life. But definitely someone is coming. Someone who is meant to be with you. Someone who is guided by the divine to come towards you, and definitely they are coming towards you because you get the lovers. So definitely a sense of divine love is there. The universe is sending someone your way, and this person will have lots of similarities with you. It will be very easy for both of you to mingle, to exchange energies, to bond. And yeah, there is definitely a sense of mutual respect, a sense of that feeling. वो फीलिंग आती है ना जब आप किसी से मिलते हैं और आपको लगता है कि यार सोलमेट वाला कनेक्शन है, कि we match on everything from food to hobbies and all, like so वैसा टाइप के एनर्जीज दिखा रहा है. So definitely in one sentence, simply put, your soulmate is kind of coming your way. If you have been expecting a proposal, then definitely the cards show me that it's coming your way. This Purnima is actually turning out very good for you, very positive and very romantic for you. So now moving on to Gemini, मिथुन राशि. चलिए देख लेते हैं मिथुन राशि के लिए इस फुल मून, स्ट्रॉबेरी फुल मून, क्या मैसेजेस और गाइडेंस आ रहे हैं. बाय द वे, ये रीडिंग आपके सन, मून, सनशाइन, मून साइन और राइजिंग या असेंडेंट लग्न साइन के हिसाब से आप देख सकते हैं. मैं टाइम स्टैम्प्स ऐड कर दूंगा नीचे. तो चलिए जेमिनी के लिए क्या मैसेजेस और वाइब्रेशंस आ रहे हैं देख लेते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली जेमिनी, आपने जो कर्म किए हैं आपको उसी का फल मिलने वाला है इस पूर्णिमा में. सो डेफिनेटली अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, अ वेरी फेयर काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी आने वाली है आपकी तरफ से. देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ न्यू बिगिनिंग, possibly in love, but definitely a new beginning for some of you folks. And also आपको एक एनर्जी आपकी तरफ दिखा रहा है कि आ रहा है, जो कि आपको आपके सबकॉन्शियस से, आपके इनर जो सेल्फ है उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए आपको काफ़ी सारे चीज़ों के बारे में मालूम चलेगा. आप सीक्रेट्स के बारे में आपको मालूम चलेगा. अगर कोई सीक्रेट चीज़ है आपको, आपकी पीठ पीछे हो रहा है या कुछ, तो आपको काइंड ऑफ इंट्यूशन या आपको भनक होता है ना, भनक मिल जाएगा आपको वो चीज़ का कि कुछ तो चल रहा है पीठ पीछे. तो ऐसा टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी दिखा रहा है आपके लिए. बट डेफिनेटली अ न्यू बिगिनिंग एंड गेटिंग मोर क्लैरिटी एंड कनेक्टिंग टू योर सबकॉन्शियस. ऑल्सो जैसे मैंने कहा कि कर्मा का रोल थोड़ा रहेगा यहाँ पे, कार्मिक कनेक्शन है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा. तो अगर आपने अच्छा किया होगा तो आपको अच्छा ही मिलेगा. अगर आपने उतना भी अच्छा नहीं किया होगा तो शायद उतना अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा. बट हाँ, कार्मिक कनेक्शन तो है इस रीडिंग में आपके लिए. बट डेफिनेटली अ न्यू बिगिनिंग इज ऑन द वे फॉर यू, विच इज पॉजिटिव, पॉसिबली लव. सो चलिए अभी देखते हैं कैंसर के लिए क्या मैसेजेस और गाइडेंस है. कैंसर या कि कर्कट राशि. So Cancer, the energies that is showing me, well, it's kind of showing me that currently you are not making much progress towards something, you're not making an effort towards something. You have sort of made up your mind that you won't take any action towards something. It could be, because of a multiple reasons which are very specific to you. But yeah, I don't see you making any move. I don't see you taking much action towards something. Like, this is the energy that is currently with you right now. But sooner, like in the coming days, in the few days after the Purnima, I see you taking action and taking like very spontaneous action towards something. You are, driving towards something very fast, and definitely you have made up your mind about something. Like, after this phase of not taking action, not making any progress, restricting yourself from taking action, you have finally made up your mind to take action, and this in turn will lead you to attain more stability. And this is actually a very good part for Cancer. You get the King of Cups, which is basically you. King of Cups represents Cancer. So yeah, I see you attaining stability, but the messages that are coming towards you, it's asking you to take that action. थोड़ा सोच समझ के लीजिएगा जो भी आपको एक्शन लेना है, लेकिन take that action and this will eventually lead to more stability and more emotional maturity and fulfillment in the coming days. So yeah, Cancer, I would say it's time to buckle up. It's time to hustle. It's time to take action, make things happen. So now coming on to Leo, या सिंह राशि, सन मून राइजिंग. तो देख लेते हैं लियो के लिए क्या मैसेजेस या क्या गाइडेंस आ रहे हैं आप यूनिवर्स से दिस फुल मून. So Leo, definitely some sort of offer or opportunity is coming your way. Now this doesn't have to be a material kind of opportunity, material kind of offer. This could very much be a spiritual kind of thing, but this opportunity or offer that is coming towards you is not just random. The universe is providing you this opportunity to kind of uplift you, to take you out of your current situation and place you in a much more better situation. Because I see you handling that change very nicely, very smoothly. You may feel a bit, cautious about taking the next step of leveling yourself up. But trust me, you are going to handle the situation very well. You are going to do it very efficiently. There is nothing to worry about it. The thing that you should focus more upon is your inner self, is your subconscious and your inner calling. Try to look inwards, try to connect to your subconscious energetically and spiritually. And that is the way through which you can attain that efficiency and a smoothness in handling your situation. But definitely you are being made an offer by the universe. So when that opportunity comes towards you, be willing, be open to receive that, because the universe is providing you with that opportunity because you deserve it. This is what you have been waiting. Probably you didn't know you needed that, but yeah, the universe is providing you with that opportunity so that you can upgrade yourself. A very good energies for you this full moon. तो चलिए अभी देख लेते हैं वर्गो या कन्या राशि के लिए क्या मैसेजेस या गाइडेंस आ रहे हैं इस पूर्णिमा. So Virgo, I see you moving away from something that has not pleased you, something that has not been favorable for you. So I see you moving away from them. But what the universe is kind of telling you is to keep moving forward, don't lose hope, and you will attain victory because you get the Ace of Swords, and which also brings in clarity for you. So definitely don't lose hope, don't give up on things, keep moving and keep going towards it, and you will definitely attain victory and clarity. But the moment you get this clarity and this transparency of things, this will also cause you some pain. You will be more focused towards the negative part of things and not look at the positive side. Although the negative side may be a bit more, more in number than positive. But the universe is kind of telling you to focus on the positive. Don't just ignore the positive part. Although the negative part may be there, but you need to focus on the positive and be, move forward in your life. So yeah, a good reading for you, Virgo, but definitely don't lose hope and don't focus on the negative too much. Yeah. So now let's look into Libra or Tula Rashi and what messages or guidance is coming for you this full moon. So there is definitely some sort of pain that you're going through, some sort of heartbreak that you're going through, and this is kind of leading you to push yourself, to push your body. You are overburdening yourself with things, and this is not turning pleasant for you. This might have caused you some sort of health issues as well. You are pushing yourself way too much, more than you can handle because of this pain. This pain is the main driving force that is causing you to push yourself over and beyond. But there is a saying that hard work always pays off, and since you're doing all this hard work, I see you coming into power. I see you gaining control over life. I see you gaining more authority over life and attaining that figure of strength and courage. So definitely keep hard work, but also keeping check your health, keeping check your mental state, and you will definitely come into a position of power, a position of authority, because you get the Emperor. So yeah, just take care of your health, take care of your self, and hustle up. So yeah, let's see now what messages or guidance are coming for Scorpio or Vrushik Rashi this Purnima. So Scorpios, I see you guys, planning and not moving forward, being in a very stable and stagnant kind of energies. You guys are thinking, should I do it? Should I not? Should I do it? Should I not? But the universe is kind of telling you, the messages that is coming clearly towards me is that you should take step towards it. You should valiantly move towards it. आप चलते जाइए, आप पैशनेटली उस चीज़ की तरफ एक्शन लीजिए, because this is what the universe is asking you to do. You get the card of hope and aspirations. So the moment you take action towards it, आप planning phase पे हमेशा रुक के नहीं रह सकते, आपको एक ना एक moment में action लेना पड़ेगा. And this is the moment you should take action, because this action taking that you will be doing, आप जो भी action लेंगे, this will eventually lead to a sort of wish fulfillment, something that you have wanted for a long time. So this action is very important for you to take, and this will eventually lead to a wish fulfillment, your dreams coming true, you attaining what you deserve, what the universe wants you to have, what the universe wants you to own. So definitely Scorpio, रुक के मत रहिए, एक्शन लीजिए. दिस इज द परफेक्ट मोमेंट. द यूनिवर्स इज डेफिनेटली सेंडिंग द एनर्जीज टुवर्ड्स यू टू टेक एक्शन, एंड यू शुड टेक एक्शन अगर आप एनर्जीज को मानते हो तो. चलिए अभी देखते हैं नेक्स्ट साइन सैजिटेरियस के लिए क्या मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं धनु राशि के लिए. वैसे भी धनु राशि में इस बार का मून है, तो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. So wow, Sagittarius, the card that comes for you is Temperance, which is you. Temperance is the card of Sagittarius. So you are in a very balanced kind of energy right now. You're very much in a comfortable. You're doing things very smoothly, and things are coming very naturally to you. You are taking a very middle kind of approach, a very liberal kind of approach in life, and the universe is asking you to attain strength, because in the long run, as you go forward, things are going to get a bit heavy, a bit bitter. There could be some energies of repetition, doing the same wrong things again and again, and expecting something different from it. But since you're doing the same thing over and over again, you won't get any much difference. So the universe is asking you to have your strength, to have your courage, and strengthen yourself up, so that the whatever is coming your way, whatever negativity or heaviness is coming your way, you will be prepared to tackle that. So focus on yourself, focus on inward, try to control and achieve victory over that inner strength. This will eventually help you to overcome whatever negative things. I won't say negative, but materialistically bonding things that are coming your way. So yeah, Sagittarius, try to gain your strength. So now let's look at the energies for Capricorn or Makar Rashi and see what messages or guidance is coming your way. So Capricorn, I see you guys in a very negative kind of mindset. You guys are very much heartbroken. You guys are more focused on the negative than on the positive. You guys feel that you have lost everything that you had. There is no moving forward from here. And this is kind of causing you to restrict yourself, to constrict yourself. You guys are not moving forward. You guys are not able to get out of this prison that you have put on yourself, and this will restrict you from spiritually advancing in life. But once you get out of this, and the way you get out of this is try to take a look around. It might not be that bad as much as you think it is. So the way to freedom is right there. You just need to figure it out. You just need to get some clarity on things. Live that way that is put upon you, that you have put upon yourself. Thinking that, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that because these are the things. But there is an opening. There is a chance for you to get out of it. And yeah, so once you get that clarity, once you take that initiative to get out of this current situation, or like situation of not being able to move, the thing that is coming towards you is love. I think this could very much be a love reading for you. All the cards kind of signifying that only. So yeah, once you get out of this situation, what's coming towards you is a soulmate kind of energy, a very positive, a very loving, warm kind of energy. So yeah, Capri, just get some clarity. Try to figure things out. Try to attain more positivity in life, and don't be too much focused on the negative. Try to focus your energies towards the positive side, and the universe will definitely send love and healing towards you. तो चलिए अभी देख लेते हैं क्या मैसेजेस और गाइडेंस आ रहे हैं आपके एक्वेरियस के लिए, कुंभ राशि के लिए इस पूर्णिमा. So Aquarius, definitely some sort of good news is coming your way. Some sort of fast communication is coming your way. Something that you may have been anticipating for a long time, but it's definitely coming your way. This good news, the universe is sending towards you, and you are meant to have this good news. Now, as you move forward, I see you in a very stable and very financially you will be doing good. If not financially, I still see you in a very nurturing and very stable kind of energies. You will have some sort of balance in your life when it comes to your finances as well as your work related issues, and this could also mean your mother in some instances. So yeah, you could also get guidance from your mother in this regard, but I see you in a very stable kind of position financially, most probably, if not in other sectors of your life as well. What worries me most is you get this Seven of Swords. So there could be an element of cheating, element of deception involved. Someone might be trying to hurt you. Someone might be trying to go behind your back to hurt you, to betray you, to, give you a hard time. Could break your trust. There could even be some sort of robbery or, stealing involved. Stealing not just material things, stealing of ideas, emotions, whatever. But definitely, there is an element of deception involved. So I would ask you to be cautious. And be mindful of the people you mingle with, you exchange your energies with. Be mindful of that, and try to balance the stability that you have. Try to maintain the stability that you have, and you will be able to overcome that energy of deception, whatever is coming your way. Now moving on to the next sign, which is Pisces or Meen Rashi, and we'll look into what kind of messages or guidance is coming your way. So Pisces, what I see coming towards way is a new beginning in possibly in your work life, but definitely some sort of new beginning is coming your way. The universe is providing you with this opportunity to start over, to start afresh, and you will face competition, you will face opposition when you try to start this new thing, but you will be able to start this new thing, and you will be able to attain your position of power and attain your position of authority over this. Although I see you being a bit bored in the end, a bit like you may feel that it's not what you expected it to be, it's not turning out the way you thought it would, and this might create a sense of disinterest in you. But remember that the universe provided you with this opportunity for a reason. You are meant to find this opportunity. So don't lose interest, don't get bored. Just keep hustling, keep moving forward, and see, the energy of disinterest is showing me that you were too much focused on the thing that is in front of you, but you were not aware of what the thing there is on your side. Like, it's kind of showing me energy where you are too much focused on the negative, you are too much focused on the mundane, and you are not connected to your subconscious. You are not seeing that universe is working behind. The universe is providing you with opportunities, with things that will interest you, that will fuel your passion. But you're too much just focused on, oh, I have this, and this is all I have, I can't do anything, this is boring, I don't want to do this. But there are new things on the horizon, and you need to clear your mind and connect to your subconscious to achieve these things. So yeah, Pisces, this would be your reading. So yeah, for everyone, if you guys like the reading and the reading resonated with you, do like the video and comment Jai Jagannath to claim the reading in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, Jai Jagannath.